Hi guys, how you doing? Here Carlos Valenzuela, your Chilean affiliate. Today I want to review a product called AutoTube. Well, AutoTube is a fully automated traffic weapon, let's call it, okay, that will help marketers or other people just drive traffic to their website, blog, YouTube videos, whatever you want, by posting auto comments on other people's YouTube videos. As simple as that, and just in a few clicks, okay? Well, so how does this AutoTube work? Super simple. You just go into the software, go to campaigns, and search for a keyword, okay? Any keyword, let's say make money online, okay? And all these videos are gonna show up about make money online, but you're only gonna get results of videos with like thousands of views, even 100,000 of views, even millions of views. So you just select the videos you want, and then you go down, write your message, what you wanna say. You can also use the URL shortener to put your link and not get banned, okay? And just hit on comment, and the machine will automatically start commenting this post into the videos you selected comment section. As simple as that. And you just wait, sit back behind and wait for your traffic to get driven, okay? So as you can see, this is very simple. If this is something you might be interested in, stick with me because I'm going to go a little bit into more detail, and I'm also going to show you some excellent bonuses I have put together for you to help you increase your sales with AutoTube, okay? Also wanted to let you know that down below in my description, there's the link to my bonus page where you'll be able to access AutoTube and all my custom bonuses. Today I'm giving away, let me see, I think it's about 20 bonus or something like this, because my bonus number 5 has like 15 bonuses inside. I will explain you that further on my bonus page part of this video, okay? Also remember that if you don't want to see the whole video, you can jump straight into the part you want, let's say the demo or the bonuses, by going into my description also and search for the timeline. Over there, you just click in the part of the video you want and it's going to take you there. All right. With that said, let's jump into my bonus page. All right, guys. So here we're inside my bonus page. You will recognize it because of my banners here that says Carlos Custom Bonuses, my Digital Chaos logo here. And also you have my WhatsApp bubble here where you can write directly to me if you have any questions and I will answer you immediately, okay? Well, so first of all, I'll tell you a little bit what's about AutoTube, which is pretty much what I explained you already. And then we go over through the funnel, okay? Well, the front end costs only $17, okay? And you will have access to the powerful AutoTube software and all the training modules. A couple of major features you will find here is just one-click YouTube trending video traffic. You don't need to create any video. You have an easy-to-use image editor to create highly engaging images for videos. You can use the advanced link shortener to convert your link into a smaller one without any banning issue. It includes step-by-step video training software and step-by-step training videos. Okay, then we have the upsell number 1, which is AutoTube Unlimited. Costs $37 and the downsell costs $27. And here you will unlock unlimited features to get maximum traffic, sales, profits with just a push of a button. With unlimited, you will get unlimited YouTube traffic, unlimited YouTube accounts, unlimited YouTube video downloads, exclusive traffic learning, and 100 case study video. Then the upsell number 2 is the AutoTube Pro, which costs $47 and the downsell $37. Here you will get 300% more traffic and sales faster and easier with zero tech hassles ever. You'll get your max audience glued using the power of fresh visual content. Again, step-by-step full training, plus a case study in this case, and it also includes millions of image stock to download within one click, okay? The upsell number 3 is the Done For You, which costs $197 and the downsell $97. This will allow you to upgrade your AutoTube edition to the Done For You edition and get 100% more traffic, sales, and profit without any expensive fees or doing anything yourself. Some of the main features is that you have an ultimate drag and drop landing page builder, a ready-to-use converting lead capture page. Let's boost your affiliate promos with ready-to-use bonuses. You have an integration to Page Easy. You will get a Rocket installation fully branded for your social media accounts. And Done For You graphic material, super engaging, logo, favicons to boost your brand identity, and much more. Then finally we get to the last upsell, AutoTube Reseller, which costs $97 and downsell $67, okay? Here you will get complete reseller rights to AutoTube and generate a cool monthly income, okay? Some of the major benefits is that you can start your own profitable software selling business instantly without any huge investment. You don't need to invest 10,000, 50,000 kilo for a product creation and marketing purposes. Don't turn your grey hair for managing customer service and support, and keep the profits yourself. Some of the key benefits of AutoTube are: you can drive hot YouTube traffic instantly for your offers. You can instant activate it and get results within 3 clicks. Get max exposure for your offers easily. 100% cloud-based, newbie-friendly technology. It's also beginner-friendly, and you have step-by-step training videos. And there are no complex tech hassles ever needed. Okay, to secure your copy, guys, just click on any of these red buttons and you will be redirected to the sales page. Now let's get to the cool part that you all love. I put together these great bonuses to help you skyrocket your incomes with AutoTube. So my bonus number 1 is a WordPress plugin called WP AutoRanker plugin. This plugin creates auto quality content for your site every single day. Then my bonus number 2 is another WordPress plugin called WP YouTube Video Post. And this plugin automatically imports a YouTube video from any YouTube channel or playlist or search term, okay? And it creates automatically a post for it that you can publish it or make a draft depending on your settings. Then my bonus number 3 is a great tutorial which will teach you how to get better conversions, okay? Especially if you want to post on YouTube, your comments, this is going to be very useful. Finally, my bonus number 4 is a software called Viral Commission Machine. Well, this is a 100% cloud-based software which allows you to sell any product by boosting your traffic, leads and sales with the power of social media. Very cool, guys. Can't miss it, okay? And finally, my bonus number 5 is access to all semi-exclusive vendor bonuses. These are not the bonuses included with the purchase of your product that you will see inside your members area. These are other bonuses. It's a list of like 15 bonuses I'm giving away, okay, that you will get access if you take action now, okay? So take action now by clicking here in the red button. That will take you to the sales page. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you like my bonuses. So now I'm gonna jump into the demo, which I'm going to show you how it works in real time. Alright guys, so here we're inside AutoTube dashboard. First of all, down here you can download your bonuses. Here to get the unlimited version. Here you have software training, okay, of all the topics. The overview, image editor, how to add an account, the campaign, schedule post, post templates, YouTube downloader, and URL shortener. This one you have the access here. Okay, very simple. You just put your URL and click on create short URL and you got it. Then you have the post template here to add your YouTube account, campaigns, image editor, and dashboard. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go to URL shortener. I'm going to paste here my URL that I have it ready. Go and create, and there we go. My URL is copied. So now I'm going to go to campaign. I'm going to look for the make money online keyword. Alright guys, and this give me all these results. The first video, as you can see, have 500,000 views, so I'm going to check this one. Second one, 600,000, also good. Then we have one with 9 million views, 1 million views, so I'm going to check these two ones. Alright, then here 1.8 millions, yeah, this one will work. So I go down here now. You can save this post to a list, okay? In this case, how to make money online, I'm going to post it there, save it there. Here you have the YouTube account that you have added, okay? If you have several, you can choose from here depending on the version you have. If you have the unlimited version, remember you can have unlimited accounts. And here I'm going to put this message, learn to make money online, and my tiny URL here. Then you have to choose the period that you want each post to be commented. So I'm going to put 35 seconds, which is the less. Okay, and I'm going to go to comment now. And you will see, if I go up now, the first one is processing. Okay, now we start processing the second one. Remember, it's every 35 seconds. Now the third one is processing, and so on. Alright guys, so after waiting 35 seconds for each to come up, now you have to wait a little bit for them to be commented. Okay, so as you save this campaign, down here, remember, we saved it. You can go again into another campaign and create a new one. Alright, and that's how this simple and easy software works. I hope you like it and get a lot of traffic to your sites. Alright guys, and that was it. I hope you like my AutoTube review. So don't forget that down in my description you will find the link to my bonus page where you're going to be able to access AutoTube and all these fantastic bonuses, okay? Also please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, no problem. And subscribe somewhere here, okay? so you don't miss any other videos I release. Thanks a lot for staying all the way to the end with me. Have a beautiful day, stay safe, stay cool, and take it easy. See you in the next one.